10 epic sunrise spots worth waking up for. Imagine standing on the edge of a steaming volcanic crater. The ground beneath you trembling slightly as the first light of dawn breaks over the horizon. Mount Bromo, located in East Java, Indonesia, offers one of the most surreal sunrise experiences in the world. Additionally, the area is prone to volcanic activity, so it's crucial to check local advisories before planning your visit. Despite these challenges, the reward is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that will leave you in awe of nature's power and beauty. Santorini, Greece. Picture yourself standing atop the cliffs of Santorini, Greece, as the first rays of sunlight illuminate the iconic, whitewashed buildings with blue domes. The Aegean Sea sparkles below, and the sky is painted in hues of pink, orange, and purple. Santorini sunrise is a photographer's dream and a romantic's paradise. The island's unique volcanic history has shaped its dramatic landscapes, offering panoramic views that are both stunning and serene. However, Santorini's popularity means it can get crowded, especially during peak tourist seasons. To experience the sunrise in its full glory, it's advisable to wake up early and find a quiet spot away from the main tourist hubs. The tranquility of the morning hours allows you to fully appreciate the island's beauty without the usual hustle and bustle. Grand Canyon, USA. The Grand Canyon is a place where time seems to stand still. As the sun rises over this vast and ancient landscape, the canyon's layers of red and orange rock are bathed in a warm, golden light. The play of shadows and light creates a dynamic and ever-changing panorama that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Watching the sunrise from viewpoints like Mather Point or Desert View Watchtower offers a perspective of the canyon's immense scale and beauty. However, the Grand Canyon's vastness can also pose challenges. The weather can be unpredictable, with temperatures fluctuating dramatically between day and night. It's essential to dress in layers and be prepared for sudden changes in weather conditions. Mount Fuji, Japan. Mount Fuji, Japan's tallest peak, is a symbol of beauty and spiritual significance. Watching the sunrise from its summit, known as Goreiko, is a deeply moving experience. Pilgrims and hikers alike ascend the mountain during the climbing season to witness the first light of day from above the clouds. The view from the top is nothing short of spectacular, with the sun rising over the Pacific Ocean and casting a warm glow over the surrounding landscape. However, climbing Mount Fuji is not without its challenges. The ascent is physically demanding, and the weather can be harsh, even in summer. It's crucial to be well prepared, with proper gear and sufficient time to acclimate to the altitude. Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, is a massive sandstone monolith in the heart of the Northern Territory's arid red center. Watching the sunrise over Uluru is a spiritual experience, as the changing light transforms the rock's color from deep red to vibrant orange and purple. The surrounding desert landscape comes alive with the first light of day, and the silence is profound, broken only by the sounds of native wildlife. However, Huru holds deep cultural significance for the Anangu people, the traditional owners of the land. Visitors are asked to respect the cultural protocols, including not climbing the rock, as it is a sacred site. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world, is a testament to the ingenuity and devotion of the Khmer Empire. Watching the sunrise over this ancient temple complex is a mesmerizing experience. As the sun rises, its rays illuminate the intricate carvings and towering spires of the temple, casting long shadows and creating a play of light that adds to the site's mystique. The surrounding moat reflects the temple's silhouette, enhancing the beauty of the scene. However, Angkor Wat's popularity means it can get crowded, especially during peak tourist seasons. To experience the sunrise in its full glory, it's advisable to arrive early and find a quiet spot away from the main crowds. Banff National Park, Canada. Banff National Park in the Canadian Rockies is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Watching the sunrise over the park's pristine lakes, like Lake Louise or Moraine Lake, is a breathtaking experience. The still waters mirror the surrounding snow-capped peaks, and the first light of day casts a soft glow over the landscape. The air is crisp, and the silence is profound, broken only by the sounds of wildlife awakening. However, Banff's popularity means it can get crowded, especially during peak tourist seasons. To experience the sunrise in its full glory, it's advisable to arrive early and find a quiet spot away from the main crowds. Haleakala National Park, Hawaii. Haleakala, known as the House of the Sun, is a dormant volcano on the island of Maui. Watching the sunrise from the summit is a surreal experience. As the sun rises over the vast crater, the sky is painted in hues of pink, orange, and purple, and the surrounding clouds create a sea of mist. The temperature at the summit can be quite cold, even in the summer months, so dressing warmly is essential. The temperature at the summit can be quite cold, even in the summer months, so dressing warmly is essential. To witness the sunrise here, you'll need to make a reservation in advance due to the park's effort to preserve the delicate ecosystem and manage the surge of early morning visitors. Trolltunga, Norway. High above the fjords of Norway, a rocky ledge juts out over a breathtaking abyss. This is Trolltunga, or the Troll's Tongue. Reaching this iconic rock formation requires a demanding hike, often started in the dead of night to arrive just in time for sunrise. But what a reward it is! As the sun slowly rises over the fjords, casting golden light across the glacier-carved valleys and tranquil lakes below, the world feels utterly untouched, pure and silent. The hike is no joke, though. It spans over 28 kilometers round trip and can take 10 to 12 hours. Taj Mahal, India. Now imagine standing in front of one of the world's most iconic monuments as the first light of day slowly reveals its marble perfection. The Taj Mahal at sunrise is not just visually stunning, it's deeply emotional. The pink-orange light reflects off the pristine white dome, while the Yamuna River glistens softly in the background. This isn't just a view, it's an atmosphere. The early morning hours offer a brief escape from the midday crowds, letting you take in the serenity of the space in near silence. But let's be real, getting there early isn't just a choice, it's a must. The gates open at 6 a.m., and the best photographers are already queued up long before that. Pollution can sometimes haze the skies, so checking the air quality the day before is smart. Masai Mara, Kenya. Finally, let's travel to the vast golden savannas of Kenya's Masai Mara. Watching the sunrise here is like witnessing the heartbeat of the earth. The sky explodes in oranges and reds, silhouetting the acacia trees and the graceful outlines of giraffes, elephants, and even lions on the move. Safari vehicles gently rumble across the terrain as nature awakens all around you. It's wild, it's raw, and it's unforgettable. But the Masai Mara isn't without its challenges. Timing is everything. Peak sunrise views align with the dry season and the Great Migration, when millions of wildebeest and zebras thunder across the plains. It's awe-inspiring, but also chaotic and crowded. Lodges book out months in advance, and it's not cheap. Now, if you found yourself dreaming of standing on the edge of a volcano or watching wildlife roam beneath a glowing African sky, then you already know what to do. Hit that like button to let us know which sunrise spot is now on your bucket list. Drop a comment with your favorite sunrise experience or the one you're planning next. And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping travel content, hidden gems, and real-world tips that make your adventures not just incredible, but unforgettable.